I hope everyone had a wonderful, wonderful week. This week in Eretz Yisrael, we learn Parshas Bahar, Chutzlarts, Parshas Emor. Let's try and make a little bit of a combo plan. So the beginning of the Parshas Bahar, we're introduced Har Sinai and then Shemitah. And Rashi famously says, Ma Inyan, Shemitah Etzel Har Sinai. Why specifically, when we talk about the mitzvah of Har Sinai, do we specifically mention Har Sinai? And once again, Rashi gives the famous answer, just like all the details of Shemitah were told to us at Har Sinai, so to all the Torah was told to us at Har Sinai. The Ohr HaChaim HaKadosh asks the question, however, why is it that specifically Shemitah is the mitzvah to teach us this lesson? After all the mitzvahs, if they were given Klaloseha, Upratoseh, the details at Sinai, so why are we specifically mentioning Shemitah as the model, as the paradigm? What about other mitzvot? And Rav Soloveitchik has a beautiful, beautiful idea where he highlights the two prominent mountains that we have in our tradition. We have the mountain of Har Sinai, where of course the Torah was given, and then we have the mountain of Har Habayis, Parshas Emor. We read about the Moadim and the mitzvah of Aliyah LaRegel, every one of the Chagim to go up to Har Habayis, to the Beis HaMikdash. And it's interesting, when it comes to Har Sinai, a cataclysmic event took place at Har Sinai. We received the Torah, unbelievable event, a world-changing event, the most monumental event perhaps in world history. The Torah is given. Yet, Har Sinai, we don't know where it is. We have no idea where it is, and we don't even run after it. No one is going on these tours to the Sinai desert, to the desolate places to find out where exactly is Har Sinai. It's not true when it comes to Har Habayis. Har Habayis is perhaps the most contested place on earth. We see even today the battles going on Har Habayis. Everyone is trying to get to Har Habayis, running to Har Habayis, climbing the mount. We're trying to bring the Beis HaMikdash. We have a certain running after, chasing Har Habayis. Why the difference? Why the difference? Rav Soloveitchik explained a beautiful idea, is that when it comes to Har Sinai, we are passive players in that event. We are the recipients. Hashem gave us the Torah and we passively received the Torah. Critically important. We needed and we need Torah, but we were not active players in that event. We are the recipients, passive. When it comes to Har Habayis, when it comes to Beis HaMikdash, when it comes to Avodas Hashem, in the Makom HaMikdash, no, there we are the players. There we reach out to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We bring the karbanos. We are mispal. We are Ola Regel. Har Sinai, Hashem comes down to us. Har Habayis, we go up to Him. And when it comes to our world, our role in the world going forward, it's about Aliyah. It's being a Ben Aliyah. It's going up to Har Habayis, not being passive players, but going up. But perhaps that's exactly where Shemitah fits in. Because once every 7 years, Hashem says, yes, I want you to stop. I want you to be the recipients. I want you to cease and desist from your work. You're toiling the land and be more passive. Work on that aspect 1 in 7 years and receive. Receive my bounty. Be more passive recipients. Yes, Ma Inyan Shemitah Etzel Har Sinai. However, that also informs the other 6 years, because the other 6 years, the Sheishes Yimei Hamas is similar to Shabbos. We work, we toil, we climb, we connect, we reach out to HaKadosh Baruch Hu Har Habayis. And that 7th day Shabbos, Shemitah, we retreat, we bask in the glory of receiving the bounty of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And that's these two mountains. That's the Shemitah Har Sinai connection, and of course, our yearning and our striving for Har Habayis. We need both. We need both. We need to be that Ben Aliyah, but also every so often, periodically, we stop, we pause, and we receive. We contemplate. We are more passive in contemplating, reflecting, and receiving the bounty of Hashem. Things to reflect on. Parshas Emor, Parshas Bahar. Have a wonderful Shabbos Kodesh.